Hey, let us see the changes made with respect to the hard start time and parent child task setup. So I'm going to select a parent child task setup to see the hard start time change here. So I'm selecting a task type, selecting a stop. I'll give some description for our demo purpose. Now I'll set the time as 22:45 as hard start time, and I create the task. As you can see here in the setup, there are four child tasks here for this parent task type. So when I set hard start time at the parent task, this will be applied only to the first pickup. So when we run the engine, the first pickup will be the first child task or will be applied with this time, and rest all will be as followed. Now if I create, the task has been created. Now let us go and check the first child. The hard start time should be applied only to the first child. Out of these four, 01 is a first child task, and if we edit the child task, and as you can see here, the hard start and flag is automatically checked, and 22:45 has been automatically popped up. And this won't be applied to any of the other child task here, and by default the creation time, the time during creation will be popped up. The hard start and flag is not checked, so this will be applied only to the first child task.